What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Another exciting day for Samsung Galaxy Watch users out there. Samsung has started rolling out the One UI Watch 6 based on Wear OS 5 for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series. A couple of days back, we got the update on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. This is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that we have got here. And this is the Bluetooth variant. I think the LTE variant have not got it yet. If you own a LTE variant, you'll have to wait for it. You will be getting it very soon. Even in the case of Galaxy Watch 5 series, if you own a LTE variant, if you haven't got the update yet, you have to patiently wait for it. Generally, the update will be first provided for the Bluetooth variants and then it comes to the LTE variants. Now, this watch here is doing pretty good after the update. I think you guys should go ahead and update this device. And now we have got the update on the Galaxy Watch 5 series. This is the Watch 5 Pro Bluetooth I have got here. And the regular Watch 5 also have got this brand new update. Now, let me just go to the watch settings here and go to software update section and tap on download and install. You can see the update details here. The update size is about 1844.20 MB, almost 2 GB of update. And the security patch level is 1st October 2024. The version number ends with CXK1 and the One UI Watch version is 6.0. Now in the changelog, when I tap on view all changes, you get to see the entire list of the features here. For some reason, after updating it, it is not showing up here. I have already taken the screenshot here. Let me show you that. Here we go. This is the entire list of update and I have compared this changelog with the changelog of the Galaxy Watch 6 update. The same features have been provided. They did not skip any of the features. Kudos to Samsung for doing that. We have got all the features available for the Galaxy Watch 5 series as well. Of course, Samsung is not going to provide the AGS index feature because that requires the bioactive sensors. So we do not have that feature. Now I have already made a detailed video about all the brand new features that we have got on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. I will quickly take you through all the new features that we have got on the Galaxy Watch 5 series now. Let's dive right into the video. First, the brand new watch faces. Now we get 3 brand new watch faces on One UI Watch 6. You can see featured watch faces here. I'll tap on this. We've got spatial number, simple digital and ultra info board. And this ultra info board is the best watch face you can get on the Galaxy watches because this offers plenty of information on the watch face and we also get 7 different complications. You can set different shortcuts on 7 different complications. You can tap on the shortcuts to access the applications directly from the watch face itself, which is fantastic. Now I'll go ahead and install it and show you guys in the later stage. Let's go back now. Now let me talk about something very important. Now before this update, this watch was hanging a lot. There was a lot of stutter whenever I opened the quick panel and the app tray. It used to hang a lot and it used to be very slow to the touch, and that has been an issue I have been facing on this watch. But now after the update, you can see the quick panel is quick to react and the app tray also I'm able to use very quickly. The touch response is very good and there is no lag or stutter. You can see when I bring down the quick panel here, it quickly opens up. And when I swipe up to open the app tray, it opens up. This used to hang a lot before this update. So this update should fix those lags on your older Galaxy watches. Even the Galaxy Watch 4 series, whenever we get that update on the Watch 4 series, I think you guys should go ahead and install it. It will improve the usability of the watch, the touch response, and the lags and all that will just vanish. So this is a very, very important update. Now let's go ahead. Let me show you the second important feature. We can now monitor energy levels. Let me go to the health application here. And here you can see we have got a few additional features. Energy score is here. When I tap on that, you can see it says start tracking your body's readiness for the day with your Galaxy Watch or Ring. So for your watch to show the energy score, you will have to wear the watch while sleeping. It is going to track your heart rate, your SpO2 levels, your current activity levels, and everything it's going to track and show you the energy score for the next day, based on which you can plan the day's activities. That is a pretty cool feature we have got. And then we have got advanced sleep analysis. If you're tracking your sleep, then you will get advanced insights into your sleep now. Like for example, you see here on my phone, I have tracked my sleep on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. When I tap on my sleep analysis report here, you can see we have got sleep score factors here: sleep time, physical recovery, restfulness, mental recovery, sleep cycles, and we have got sleep stages here. And blood oxygen during sleep information is here, snoring information. I had turned off this while tracking the sleep. Then we've got skin temperature during sleep, heart rate during sleep, respiratory rate, sleep consistency, and achievement. So all these data will be available now, and we get advanced sleep analysis using which we'll be able to track and analyze our sleep. That is another important feature we have got. Next, we get to create our own workout routines. Let me show you that. Let's go to the Samsung Health application. Let me tap on exercise. Now here you'll be able to create your own workout routine. Now I still feel there is a slight lag here, as you can see. When I scroll towards the right, when I swipe towards the left, I still feel, okay, there is some stutter, some lag here for sure. Let me know if you guys are also facing this. As you can see, when I scroll towards the right and towards the left, it just goes back or it doesn't respond at all. Now let me tap on plus button. See, it is just going back. Let me tap on the plus button again here. Again, it is stuck. So there is some issue for sure. I'll tap on add. You can see we have got a brand new option here, create workout routine. You can tap on this to create your own workout routine. You can add multiple workouts, and when you start the workout, it will start that workout routine on the Galaxy Watch. I have explained it in detail in my other video. You can go ahead and check that out. The next important feature we have got is double pinch. Let me go to the settings here. I'll scroll down. We have got buttons and gestures, and here we have got double pinch option. You can see it is turned off by default. What this will do is you can pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, scroll through notifications, play or pause music, and take pictures. All you need to do is just wear the watch. Whenever you get the notification, just double pinch, which will dismiss the notification, and you can answer the calls by pinching twice, or you can play pause music by pinching twice. So this is a cool gesture option that we now have on the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Next, we now get modes and routines, which is integrated with the modes and routines on your phone. If you have set any modes and routines on phone, that will sync with the modes and routines available on the watch as well, so that all those modes can be activated on the watch when you turn it on the phone. So that's another feature that we have. And now we can see two ongoing activities at one go. Let me show you that. Let's say I have turned on the stopwatch here. I'll start the stopwatch here, and you can see the activity which is going on here. And now what I'll do is I'll go to the Samsung Health application and start a workout here. Now we have got two activities ongoing on the watch. Now you see when I tap on this icon, it shows me both the activities. One is the exercise, the other one is the stopwatch. So likewise, if you have a call ongoing on the watch, and if you have a timer or stopwatch or anything, it will show up right here. So we can see two activities at once. Next, we can now choose the applications which can show notifications on the watch right on the watch itself instead of changing it on the phone. All you need to do is just tap on settings, and then you have notifications here. Just tap on that. Tap on app notifications. Here you can manage the notifications for all the applications. You can turn it on or off. Earlier we had to do this on the phone, but now we can do this on the watch itself. Next, we have got some brand new tiles on the watch. Let me show you that. Let's go to the tiles here. You can see these tiles have got some green accents now, and these tiles are further polished. Let me add some more tiles here. You can see the stress tile here, and these are the battery tiles, clock tiles, buds controller. Let me tap on add tiles here. You can see some new tiles also here. Let me show you that. You can see we have got dual clock tile, which is brand new now. We get to see two different clocks here. The designs of the dual clock has been changed now. I can just press and hold on this and tap on edit to add the city here, the first city and the second city. I can just tap on save. Let me add another new widget here. You can see there are some brand new widgets here on the Galaxy Watch 5 series now. Let me tap on weather widget and add it right here. You see this is the brand new weather widget, and when you press and hold on that and tap on edit, you will be able to select different information. Now this is what we have. We can tap on this to change the location, and you can tap on this to change the information that you want to see. You can see precipitation and UV index. You can see precipitation and AQI, feels like humidity, daily forecast, hourly forecast, sunrise and sunset, rain expected next 48 hours. So all that information you'll be able to see on this widget, which is customizable. And now we can scroll through the widgets as well very quickly. As you can see, when I swipe towards the left here, at one go, I will be able to scroll through at least 4-5 tiles. You can see it's very easy to scroll through the tiles. Now earlier we could scroll through single tiles one by one, but now at one go we can scroll through multiple tiles. Next, we can manage calendar events directly from the watch. Let me show you that. Let me tap on the calendar application here. And here you can see we can add event right here on the calendar. When I tap on this calendar icon and tap on a specific date, let's say I tap on Monday 9th, here I'll be able to add the event right on the watch. Earlier we could not add the events here. We could only see the events created on the phone, but now we can add the event right here. Now the next important feature that we have got is under the battery settings. Let me go to the settings. I will tap on battery, and here you can see we have got a brand new option called limit health features. Now, when you turn on the power saving mode, generally the health features will not be limited. It will be running in the background, but if you want to limit those health features, you can tap on the settings and enable limit health features. It is off now. When you enable this, your health features will not run in the background when you are on the power saving mode. Even if you're not on the power saving mode, you can enable this so that you can limit your health features to save some battery. Next, let's say the watch loses all the battery and it dies, and when you put the watch on charging pad, the watch will automatically get turned on so that you don't have to manually turn on the watch when you charge the watch after it is completely dead. So these are some important features that we have now got on the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Now, if you want to know how is the watch performing, you already saw in this video there are some lags and stutters on the watch. I'm not sure this could be only on my unit or it could be on all the other units which have got the update. You let me know after updating how is it on your watch. Since this is 2-year-old watch, the lags and stutters are common on the Galaxy watches, but the new update should fix them. I hope your watch is performing better. Let me know in the comment section how is your watch performing. That would definitely help the community. That's about it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I'm still waiting for an update on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or the Galaxy Watch 4 series, which has not arrived yet. I think in a couple of days we should be able to see the update on that watch as well. And if you rock an LTE variant of any of these watches, you get the update little later, so wait for it patiently. You will be getting the update soon. That's about it. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. You will learn a lot about your Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones, Android phones, and anything related to technology. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.